We have been driving around for 35 minutes now to find somewhere to wash our car, and it is almost impossible because if you go to any auto lavage on Google, you always have to wait 1.5 hours. I don't know how that works. You know, do people just wait 1.5 hours until their car can get washed? In Denmark, you just drive it into like a machine and it does everything in 4 minutes and that's it. But they just don't exist here in Portugal. It's so strange.
Vi er også kommet noget sæbe på.
So, we don't have any coins left. And the last program I used was apparently shampoo.
Are you joking?
It said hot water.
But I gave you all the coins already.
I know. Well, I hope
No.
there's nothing we can do, Amalie.
Der er en her.
Do you have more? You have more.
Yeah, I'm damage controlling, bitch. Go get it.
It's so beautiful. Mario Beady Beady.
What's up, boys? Welcome to the best moving day so far, because today our container arrives to our house.
We were told that the container is not arriving until later today with the boat, and I'm like, no, the boat arrived yesterday morning with our car because it's the same ship. And I kind of took her on the bet because we were told that you'll get it maybe tonight, and then after I turned up the volume in terms of the anchor, the Danish Viking anchor, and suddenly they would come at 2 o'clock today. So in 1 hour they will arrive with the container here at our new address in Portugal. And meanwhile we're testing out a nearby restaurant. What's it called?
Central Grill.
It's a churrascaria and it's terrific.
It's really good. It's gonna be our new go-to place.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is why
Honestly.
This is why you eat ananas, pineapple on a pizza.
So good.
It's repulsive. It's here. It's here. The world is miraculous. Our entire life brought to our doorstep. Literally everything we own is in here.
Let's see if it's still in there.
3 men are coming now to unload this.
Yeah.
And they will be carrying everything in.
I know.
But I actually don't know if
Like in practice, how does
if they have a ramp coming. I don't know. So we are waiting for the 3 guys that we actually paid 150 euros extra for to come and unload the truck. And meanwhile, we have had our internet installed. We have fiber here, 1000/200 megabit, which is so fast that not even my latest edition of the newest edition of MacBook 16 Pro is fast enough to have 1000 megabit.
Apparently the containers normally comes with plastic sealing, like the locks, but our container came with a metal lock. So now they have some issues opening the container that is already here. The guys really haven't figured out how to open it yet, let's just put it that way.
I don't think we will be popular today among the Greta Thunberg fans because we have wrapped so much shit in plastic and bubble foil and tape that we might contribute a full 1 degree temperature rise across the world.
How dare you!
But we did save our furniture, hopefully.
tira só a parte de baixo.
Do you feel more at ease now?
Yeah, now that I know it's here, I definitely feel better. So, one of the first boxes that are in the container is one of the last boxes we put in the car, and that is our wine glasses. So this is how you wrap in your favorite wine glasses, okay? You see, none of them are broken, I hope, I think.
No, I mean this is, yeah, shoe boxes for wine glasses.
That's what you do.
Muito frágil. Estamos perto no final. Something happened?
Ja. Vamos em rapaz. Nós fazer queremos rapaz.
Ah, fuck. So this one all.
I think it's only this. I think.
Okay, let's get all of this out so we can see if this plant's out.
Yeah.
Okay, uma cerveja?
Jeg har allerede spurgt.
Get it. Agua. Não sois português? It feels like home.
Yes, it does. Even though a lot of our plants died on this tour.
I mean, you gotta treat them like children that never amounted to anything.
I know.
Love them even though they're not pretty. I haven't carried anything and I feel exhausted.
It is really nice to just have like workers to come and fix everything.
So now it's mission unpacking.
I'm not going to bed before this is unwrapped, that's for sure. You can go to bed, that's okay.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Jeg har
Fuck det her.
Det er bare, ikke nu. Ikke nu.
Skat, jeg må godt kigge, altså.
Ja, det er slet ikke.
Men lad være micromanage mig.
Prøv lige at se, hvor meget det vipper, hvis vi sætter den helt opad. Du vil bare gerne se, hvordan det fungerer.
Og så er den dum. We got a little surprise for ourselves. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Our new bamboo table. Wow. You know, I really like that there is a cover above because you can actually use it when it's raining. And I like rain when I don't have to feel it on my body. Det her bord her, det synes jeg er genialt.
Ved du godt, man kan få hele sofa-arrangementet?
Ja. En ting ad gangen. Somehow it's a lot more fun to unpack than pack everything down. And I think it has to do with the anxiousness of knowing that all your shit is going through a trip. And what could happen? What could go wrong?
So heavy.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
And then with the blue wall, that's gonna look so good.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Right?
It's gonna look so good on the office. I just ordered a bunch of things from Sklum, which is like, is it a Portuguese?
It's not paid. It's Spanish, I think.
Oh, it's Spanish, okay.
They don't ship to Madeira, so
No,
we had
so
to
we
get.
had to get it to Sardinia and then ship it in the container.
Ta-da! How much did you pay for this?
I think it was 16 euros.
16
I
euros.
think so. I'm so tired. I am surprised that we still are awake actually. That we're still
You just said that you had enough energy to
Yeah, because-
continue all night.
Well, because I didn't sit down. Now I sit.
I think I'm going to finish the bed, and then I'm going to finish in bed. Come and say goodnight, Amelia. Oh, 2 girls in my bed.
I'm so tired.
Amelia, I advise you to come to bed with me.
Yeah. 2 hours.
2 hours?
And then I'm in bed. Good night. I love you.
Good night. Close the light. I can't get the light. Obrigado.
Good morning, guys.
I am so proud of all the work you did, Amelia.
Thank you.
You have, when did you go to bed? 2
2
o'clock?
o'clock. But I also did our luggage. What do you call it?
Our
closet.
walk-in closet.
Yeah.
You stayed up 4 hours after I went to bed.
Yeah, I did.
That's like a marathon in my book. Oh, this apartment here. I am just deeply, madly in love with it.
Me too.
And waking up in the bed, you got the sunrise and the whole color scheme. When do you think we'll be done with the apartment?
Monday.
Monday.
When is the painter done?
The painter's coming Monday.
Oh, he's coming. When is he done?
Tuesday.
Okay. So by Thursday we should have everything hung up in the walls, I think.
Isn't there anything we need to get? We need a big carpet for the living room.
Okay, and our dining chairs won't be coming until June. So if that's what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, June will be done then. Det bliver så flot.
Okay. Perfect.
And there's nothing I can do for you.